You have a dream to buy some land and go off grid. The biggest hurdle that kills most people's dreams is finances. I will share with you how to acquire land for less than $1,000 down, and I'm going to show you how to get your project funded in less than 12 months. I've seen people do it in less than 90 days. I know what it's like to have a vision and a dream to build this fantastic self-sufficient off-grid property that you and your family can live happily ever after on. And then when you work out the logistics and the finances and realize it's going to cost an absolute fortune, you just can't make it happen. I know for me, I wanted to be debt-free and go off the grid, and I felt like I had to get into debt and work forever to pay off to make that happen. That's the reason I've created my ultimate off-grid course and created a step-by-step guide on how I got my first property funded, and to share with you the documented process of how you can do it too. As a part of this course, I've actually found another project, and our plan is to work with you on it so you can see step-by-step of everything I do of how I've acquired this property with $0 down. You'll be involved in my live project to see what I do to get my off-grid properties funded. We only take a small group of people through this course, as when you're ready to start this part of the course, I will also be working directly with you on your project. I'm Mike Hayden, and I've been designing and building off-grid properties for over a decade now and helping other people live their off-grid dreams. In 2013, my wife and I started our first project with $0. We took a house off-grid in the middle of Sydney. At the time, we had no idea of how we would do it. We just had the dream we wanted to be self-sufficient. After our lives were affected by the Lismore floods in 2022, I realized I had the skills to start it all over again with $0. The Ultimate Off-Grid course will change how you view the property market and go off-grid forever. You might become a serial off-grid developer. These skills and lessons can be used to acquire any property, not just off-grid properties. I focus on eco-friendly builds because that's what I'm passionate about. And it's also a niche market with a huge potential for developing sustainable homes that are the future. The Ultimate Off-Grid course will help you accelerate your off-grid dream by working with a small cohort group we will select for each round of applicants. I understand you might have some concerns about investing in a course like this, and it could be just another course you don't do anything with. I guarantee that if you work with us and follow the systems, you will get your project funded, or we will work with you until we get your project across the line. I've done several property development courses and spent hundreds of thousands of dollars learning from traditional property developers and how they find low-cost land and make millions from developing it without using their own money. The Ultimate Off-Grid course will help you turn your dream into a reality. And how valuable is that to you? How much is your off-grid property worth right now? I guarantee it's worth a lot more than doing this course. And how much will this course change your life when you're living on your off-grid property? Use the link below to start the application process, or jump on one of our live webinars where you can actually talk to me directly and ask some questions. I only take a few people a month on this program as we work one-on-one to help you build your off-grid dream.